Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make sound effects using your teeth and tongue. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 5 easy sound effects that you can make with your teeth and tongue. Without further ado, let's get right into the instruction. I'll be showing you and making you listen, letting you listen to each of the sound effects, and then I'll explain how to do each of them. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point, so take notes, take action, and you'll be able to to use and create these sounds as well. All right, without further ado, sound number one is the T sound, okay? So it's this is how you make that sound. Your tongue is pushing up from here against this, and you're forcing air through the little space right here, and you're releasing it. T, t, t. But instead of making the sound, you're just pushing the air. So not t, 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 t. Just remove your voice from the T sound, and you're gonna get the. That's the first one. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is the tongue pop sound. Okay. Really, really easy to do. You get your tongue, you suction it to the top of your mouth, you place it against the top of your mouth, and then you suction it down, okay? And when you suction it down, you're going to create a popping sound. So my tongue is going against the roof of my mouth, I'm giving it a little bit of suction and pulling it down at the same time, and you get that sound. And you can change your mouth to change the tone. We got some beats going up, and we got some beats going on up in here, okay? Literally that simple. All right, moving on to number 3. Number 3 is the tongue rubbing against the inside of your teeth. It makes this sound. So, how you do that is you choose one side of your mouth, and you get your tongue and you place it against the inside of the top row of those teeth. So I'm choosing this side here, so my tongue is going in the inside of these teeth, right over here, okay? And once my tongue is there, I'm suctioning. I'm suctioning from right there. And the tongue / air rubbing against the teeth makes that sound. Right over here. Right over there. That's where the tongue's touching. Right here. Okay? And it's going to create that sound. And you can change your mouth to make a beat. Once again, we got some beats going on up in here. That's right. Just call me the beat maker. Anyways, moving on to number 4. Number 4 is whistling between your teeth. So you can see that the whistle sound is happening right between my teeth. The way I'm doing that is I'm getting the tongue close to the teeth, but not against the teeth, allowing the air to just escape between the teeth. And I'm using my tongue, bringing it sort of back and forth along with my mouth opening and closing to create different tones. Actually, my tongue is staying in the same spot now that I think about it. My mouth is opening and closing to get different tones. No, you know what? The tongue is moving a little bit because look, my mouth can stay in the same spot and the tongue is creating the different tones. And then to go lower, I think it's a mixture of my mouth moving a little bit, but it's definitely the majority of the tongue movement that's creating the different tones. All right, enough with the beat making. Moving on to the last one for this video, which is number 5. Number 5 is my tongue snapping to create a clicking sound. The way that I'm doing that is I'm getting the back of my tongue and I'm bringing it against the roof of my mouth, and I'm suctioning back. So I'm suctioning back, and that suction is creating that sound, that clicking sound, that snapping sound. So the back of my tongue is going up against the roof of my mouth and suctioning back. And that's it. That is truly it. Hopefully you enjoyed those beats that I made up in this van. Anyways, we are moving on. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. Moving on to the end of the video, because those are the sound effects that you can make with your teeth and tongue. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. And it's very easy. In this very easy tutorial, I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.